first thing you're going to do is you are going to sign in. Oh, I got to undo all that, man.
Oh, now the print. Oh, I found it.
Okay. Then what you're going to do is you want to find Google Classroom. Or Google it. Google Classroom. Okay, we're recording everything, Rain, so you can embarrass yourself for your classmates. Google Classroom, whichever one you want to do. Okay. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Classroom after you log in. Alright, you want to log on to Algebra, and then what you want to do is you want to click on the link. Click the link. There you go. Now what's going to happen when you log on is that it's going to actually ask you, shoot, this will have to turn out. We're going to try this again. Alright, go for it. So it says you're going to need permission. You want to press log in, and then you want to click sign in with Google. And you're going to sign in as who you are, your name, and then you're going to click allow in the bottom corner. And then you'll see the assessment open up, and you can click open, and it'll be there for you, and all you need to do is answer the questions. You can go at your own pace, type in whatever answers you want, and then when you're all done, you click submit at the end. All right, there you go.